In this short video, I will give you step-by-step instructions to give you the knowledge, a tools list, and torque specs to get the job done. If this video is helpful and saves you time, please subscribe and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. In this video, I'll be showing you how to change the oil in a 2016 to 2025 Chevy Malibu 1.5 liter. To get started, open the hood, locate the oil cap and the dipstick. Remove the oil cap, remove the dipstick, clean it off, then check your oil level. Then you can raise the vehicle up, and if you're going to be rotating your tires, the lug nuts are a 19mm and they're torqued to 100 foot-pounds. Remove the drain plug, let the oil drain out. This is a 15mm. Then after the oil is done draining, reinstall the drain plug and then tighten it up. This is the part number for this oil filter. Then locate the oil filter, then use an oil filter wrench to remove it, let it drain out. Then reinstall the new oil filter, then lower the vehicle back down, then fill it up with oil of 5W30. Then reinstall the oil cap, then start the vehicle, let it run for 5 to 10 seconds. Then check your oil level, make sure it's at the proper level. Then to reset the oil light, start the vehicle, then use your arrow keys on the right side of the steering wheel. Navigate to this screen, oil life percentage, press and hold the check mark until it beeps and resets to 100%. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe to get more short and to the point how-to videos like this that saves you time so you can get more done. And if you're looking for other videos on the same car, please subscribe. I have other ones like how to change the air filter, how to change the rear springs, and how to change the rear wheel bearings.